It's always like that. How about like rape a monkey?
I could play this song.
That's inspirational speech she had there. Now, so we're gonna build a place
called Rape a Monkey.
Rape a Monkey.
Yes, but we're gonna keep it secret from
Yes.
the police. It's gonna be called
Secrets from police. Police are not allowed, even with search warrant. This place has
It's
nothing.
called Rape a Monkey.
It has nothing illegal. Monkey are children. And, okay. Monkey are children.
It's called Rape a Monkey.
We're gonna have
the
apes and monkeys. Children, monkey children.
monkey children. They like it's like an actual monkey, like a real life monkey. And seriously, you can't impregnate a monkey. Like impossible. And monkeys can't impregnate. I watched it on.
Don't listen to her. You can impregnate a
No, you
monkey.
cannot.
Yes, you can.
Okay, just because it's our cousin species or whatever, like a tiger and a lion.
It's only.
We're like a main species. I don't think we.
Now I thought of another name for a building. It's called shliger. Half lion, half tiger.
Yeah, like everything on one side.
And it's gonna be half shark.
Half shark, so they'll be like
Yeah.
shliger.
Shliger. Shliger.
And
Shliger.
then we're gonna like put a. Then we have to put a robot in there.
A robot?
Robots are off.
Robot, yeah. Okay.
So it's like shliger.
Shliger bot. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Enough from Rape Monkey and
Rape a
Shliger.
Monkey, so people don't understand.
And Shliger.
Shliger bot.
See you later.
Shliger bot.
Don't leave.
Don't leave.
Why not? Don't leave.
Because we love the internet.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No me gusta.
Yes. Cheeseburger.
Alright, see you later.
Wait.
What? Yeah.
There you go.
Worst song of history. And we're signing off to this.
Yes.
Okay.
Come on now, your turn.
Bye. Bye.
I don't know how to do
No love.